In Saudi Arabia, when you think of crispy, juicy fried chicken, one name immediately comes to mind: Baik. It's more than just a restaurant. It's a cultural phenomenon, a symbol of deliciousness that brings people together, often in those famously long but totally worthwhile queues. But have you ever wondered how this chicken empire started? What's the story behind the brand that has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions? Well, let's rewind the clock and uncover the incredible history of Baik. Our story begins back in 1974, in the bustling port city of Jeddah. A visionary entrepreneur named Shakour Abu Ghazalah saw an opportunity. At that time, the concept of fast food was still very new in Saudi Arabia. International chains were just starting to make their mark, but Mr. Abu Ghazalah had a different idea. He didn't want to just copy a Western model. He wanted to create something uniquely Saudi, something that catered to the local palate. He embarked on a mission to develop the perfect fried chicken recipe, one that combined the familiar comfort of fried chicken with the rich and aromatic spices of the Middle East. It was a bold move, and it was the very first step in building a legacy. He opened his first small pressure-frying chicken shop, laying the foundation for what would become a national icon. So, what was the secret ingredient to Baik's explosive success? Well, it wasn't just one thing, but a combination of brilliant strategies. First and foremost was the recipe itself, that legendary secret blend of 18 herbs and spices that gives Baik chicken its unmistakable flavor. This recipe has been a closely guarded secret for decades, creating a unique taste that no one has ever been able to replicate. It's the kind of flavor that gets etched in your memory, but a great recipe alone isn't enough. Shakour Abu Ghazalah was committed to using only high-quality ingredients. From the very beginning, he insisted on sourcing the best chicken, ensuring every single piece was fresh, tender, and met his strict standards. This dedication to quality meant customers could always trust that they were getting the best product, every single time. Then there was the price. In a stroke of business genius, Baik was priced to be incredibly affordable. The goal was to make delicious, high-quality food accessible to everyone, from all walks of life. This strategy turned customers into loyal fans. You weren't just getting a meal. You were getting incredible value for your money, and finally, consistency. Whether you visited the first branch in Jeddah or a new one years later, the taste was always the same. This unwavering consistency built a powerful sense of trust and reliability. People knew exactly what to expect when they saw that iconic red and yellow logo, a perfect meal, every time. It wasn't just food, it was a dependable experience. From that single, humble outlet in Jeddah, the legend of Baik began to spread like wildfire. Initially, the expansion was slow and deliberate. The family wanted to ensure that quality was never compromised as they grew. They first expanded within Jeddah, opening more branches to meet the overwhelming demand. Soon, the word spread beyond the city limits. People traveling to Jeddah for work or pilgrimage would get a taste of Baik and take the stories of its incredible chicken back to their hometowns. The expansion into the holy cities of Mecca and Medina was a major turning point. During Hajj and Umrah, millions of pilgrims from all over the world flocked to these cities. For many, trying Baik became an essential part of their pilgrimage experience. They would share their meals, take pictures, and spread the word when they returned to their home countries. Suddenly, Baik wasn't just a Saudi favorite, it was gaining international fame. Tourists and pilgrims from Indonesia, Pakistan, Egypt, and beyond became unofficial ambassadors for the brand, helping its reputation circle the globe. The next logical step was the capital, Riyadh, where the opening of the first branch was met with unprecedented excitement and massive crowds, cementing its status as a true national brand. Tragically, the founder, Shakour Abu Ghazalah, passed away before he could witness the full extent of his brand's incredible success. However, his vision and values were so deeply ingrained in the company that his legacy was destined to continue. His sons took over the business, not just as successors, but as dedicated custodians of their father's dream. They have passionately upheld the core principles that made Baik a success: an unwavering commitment to quality, a promise of affordability, and a deep sense of responsibility towards the community. They understood that Baik was more than just a business. It was a family legacy built on trust and a connection with its customers. This seamless transition ensured that the spirit of the founder lived on in every meal served. Today, Baik is so much more than just a fast food chain. It's a bona fide Saudi cultural symbol, a source of national pride. Seeing that familiar red bucket is a sign of comfort, nostalgia, and a guaranteed delicious meal. It's the go-to choice for family gatherings, celebrations with friends, or just a quick, satisfying lunch. For many Saudis who have grown up with it, Baik is tied to cherished memories. And for visitors, it's a must-try experience, a true taste of modern Saudi Arabia. The brand has even become known for its philanthropic efforts, further strengthening its bond with the community. It is a brand that has managed to stay incredibly relevant and loved for nearly half a century, continuously innovating while staying true to its roots. From a single small shop in Jeddah born from one man's dream, to a national treasure beloved by millions across the country and recognized around the world, that is the inspiring, delicious, and truly remarkable history of Baik. It's a testament to the power of a great idea, unwavering quality, and a deep connection with the people you serve. What other iconic brand stories would you like to hear? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories. Thanks for watching.